Good morning, student. Myself, Miss Razia, your English teacher. I welcome you all in today's lecture. Student, in today's lecture, we are going to study a new chapter that is Dick Whittington and his cat. So, this is the second lesson which we are going to study in today's video. So, before studying this, let me give a short introduction about Dick Whittington. Who is Dick Whittington? Children, Dick Whittington, it's a real story. This whole story, it's real one, but it's not complete real. A little friction, a little imagination also added. But here the Dick Whittington is a real story of a rich person known as Richard Whittington. So जो Dick Whittington है, the based on it a real story is also there. So the name of that real story, the personality in that story name is Richard Whittington. He was a wealthy merchant. Wealthy means very rich merchant, businessman, and later on he became the mayor of London. और वो afterward, due to his hard work, due to his good nature, he became the mayor of London. So in this lesson also we are going to study about a boy whose name was Dick Whittington, and how that poor boy who suffered a lot, who struggled a lot, and then finally how he became the mayor of London. Through this story we are going to understand. So I think so we all have a fun by having this study. So let's begin, children. So here the image flashed on your screen is the lesson. So first I'll read and then I'll explain you line to line. Chapter 1.2, Dick Whittington and his cat. There was a poor boy called Dick Whittington who lived in a small village in the south of England. So here in the beginning only said that there is a very poor boy. Poor means garib boy whose name was Dick Whittington. उसका नाम क्या था? Dick Whittington. Who lived in a small village in the south of England. So where he lived? He lived in a very small village in the south of England. He had no proper home for both his parents. He had no proper home, for both his parents had died, and he was unkindly treated by many of the villagers. So when he was small, both his parents means father, mother, both, they died. Might be some diseases or might be some accident happened. So there he lost his parent, and he has no home. So as he had no parent also, he had no home to stay, no proper home he has. And the people in that village treated unkindly means very badly, unkindly means very cruelly, badly they treat him, because he don't have house, he don't have parents, so people don't like him at all. One day Dick overheard someone says that the streets of London were paved with gold, and he decided that he could go there at once and pick up his fortune up. So one day what happened, when Dick was just having a walk, he heard, overheard means he hear, उसने सुना. Someone says that, किसने कहा कि the street of London, street means road. Here street means the road of London. Now where he stays in England. And he heard in England that, उसने England में सुना कि the street of London means the road of London were paved with gold. So London में हर जगह gold ही gold पड़ा हुआ है. Paved means fallen over there. So the roads of London's, on the road of London there was everywhere there is gold and gold. And he decided that he could go there and pick up his fortune. Fortune means uska luck. So he decided that if on the street of London there is gold and gold is there, so I will go over there and take up my gold, take up my fortune, whatever I deserve, take up my luck. I'll go and try my luck over there. He decided like that way. In gold pieces from the street pick up fortune in gold pieces from the street, for he thought people might treat him more kindly if he reached. So what he decided that I will go to the London, and as I heard, जैसे मैंने सुना है कि ऑन द स्ट्रीट ऑफ लंदन के रोड पे एवरीवेयर देर इज़ गोल्ड पीसेज आर देयर, गोल्ड इज़ फॉलन डाउन, सो आई विल कलेक्ट माई पार्ट, मेरा जो हिस्से में गोल्ड आता है मैं ले लूँगा, एंड आई विल ब्रिंग दैट गोल्ड हियर so that I will become a rich man and the people of England then treat me properly. अगर मैं रिच बन जाऊँगा तो सब लोग मेरी रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, मेरी इज्जत करेंगे. नो वन विल ट्रीट मी अनकाइंडली, मेरे साथ कोई बुरा व्यवहार नहीं करेगा. बिकॉज नाउ ही इज़ पुअर, ही डोंट हैव हाउस, ही डोंट हैव पेरेंट्स, दैट्स वाई द पीपल ऑफ England treating him poor. So what he decided that he will go to London and pick up the gold. वो जो gold पड़ा हुआ है, he will pick up and will become a rich man. He will become a rich man and then people will treat him kindly. और मेरे साथ सब लोग अच्छा behave करेंगे when I will become rich. So this paragraph you understand, children? Let's move on to the next one. So young Dick set out to walk to London. He had not gone far away when a man in a cart stopped and asked him if he was running away from home. So young Dick Whittington, वो जो Dick Whittington was very young, वो बहुत नौजवान था, and he walked. He thought that I will go by walking only to London. मैं इंग्लैंड से लंदन तक क्या करूँगा, वॉक करके जाऊँगा, and I will collect that gold. So while he was walking, he had not gone far. वो ज़्यादा दूर तक नहीं गया. He has not gone too far when a man in a cart. Now cart means you can say bullock cart. और bullock cart होती घोड़ा गाड़ी which you say in old days. हाँ. So that man in a cart stopped and he thought that this boy is running from home because it is so late night. इतना रात हो गई है and this boy is just walking alone. So what happened? I should stop and ask him. So that man in a cart, he stopped his cart and he asked him why he was running from home. कि तुम घर से भागे हुए हो? I had no home, Dick answered. Now Dick said to that person कि मेरे पास तो घर ही नहीं है. I don't have home. I am on my way to London to find my fortune. So what Dick said to that man कि I am going to London. I am on my way to London means I am going to London to find my fortune. मैं मेरा luck, मेरी किस्मत आजमाने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to try my luck, my fortune in London. I am going to London myself. Now that person who is sitting in the cart, he said that I am also going to London. मैं भी लंदन में जा रहा हूँ. Said the cartier. Cartier means the one who is sitting inside that cart. Jump up here beside me and we will journey together. Now that man was very nice one. He saw that Dick was just walking. So he thought that he might help him. He asked him where he is going. So Dick replied that he is going to London. So that cartier, that person also, he is also going to London. So he said to Dick that come and sit inside. We will both have a journey together. हम दोनों साथ में travel करने की. Journey together means we will travel together, both of us. They arrived in London just before nightfall. So वो लोग लंदन पहुँच गए रात. Before nightfall मतलब रात होने से पहले. Before night. So before night they arrived in London. जैसे ही रात होने वाली थी उससे पहले ही they arrived in London and the carter left Dick and made his way to an inn. So the carter ने क्या किया? As the person reached in London, he said Dick to get down. उसने Dick को कहा कि अभी तुम उतर जाओ. You just get down. And that person went his way to inn. I-double-N inn. Can you see this word, children? Inn. Children, can you see the word inn? So inn here means hotel. So that person, the cartier who was inside the cart, he went to the hotel and he left Dick on the way of London. उसने जैसे ही लंदन का वे आया, जैसे ही लंदन पहुँचे, he said Dick to get down and that person went into the hotel as he had booked the hotel. This much is clear to you, children? See the next part. Poor Dick stood alone and looked around him in dismay. So now poor Dick, because the night is going to fall, बहुत जल्दी रात होने वाली है, and poor Dick was poor. He was alone in the road. वो रोड में पूरा अकेला था because the night is going to fall and there was no one in the road. He looked around और वो यहाँ वहाँ देखने लगा. Dismay means sadness. In sadness, because he don't know anyone, he thought that the road of London will be full of gold and all people will be there. So when he saw he was alone standing, he looked here and there with dismay, means with sadness, with disappointment. He looked here and there. Where was all that fine gold? He was just thinking, where are the golds? I'm standing on the road, I'm standing on the street, and I can't see any gold on the road. मैं रोड में कोई भी गोल्ड नहीं देख रहा हूँ. All he could see were dirty streets and lot of unfriendly people. Now wherever he see the streets, वो रोड के जगह उसको क्या दिख रहा है? गंदगी, papers or litters or garbage. So he saw that everywhere on the London there was a dirty things, and unfriendly means the people, those who are there walking, they are also don't know Dick, and Dick also don't know those people. So Dick was again went over there, and he was very sad to see that no gold is there, no people are there, and everywhere he see only dirtiness. He had nowhere to sleep, and now he don't have any place to sleep also, because everywhere there is dirty. And in the end he spent the night in the corner of the alley, where he hoped he could come to no harm. So finally now night is happening, and in the night he can't go anywhere. वो कहाँ जा नहीं सकता. He was looking the place on the road. वो road पे ही place देख रहा था कि he can take a rest. But in the road also he can't see a proper place. But finally at the end of the night he saw one corner. एक तो बिल्डिंग के पीछे एक जगह होती है पैसेज जैसे, बिल्डिंग के कंपाउंड के पीछे एक जगह होती है वेयर वी कैन पास. सो दैट स्मॉल स्पेस बिटवीन टू बिल्डिंग्स, द स्मॉल स्पेस इज दैट इज नोन एज एले, उसको एले कहते हैं. और नैरो पैसेज बिटवीन और बिहाइंड बिल्डिंग, दो बिल्डिंग के बीच में जो जगह होती है पैसेज की. सो व्हाट ही डिड, ही स्लेप्ट ओवर दैट. उसने वो नाइट वहाँ पे सो के गुजारी. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड दिस मच चिल्ड्रन. See next move to the next paragraph. The next morning, Dick woke up cold, miserable, and very hungry. So when at the night somehow he spent the night in that alley. वो बिल्डिंग के पीछे उसने निकाल दिया. But the next morning when he woke up, जब वो उठा, it was very cold in London. पूरा लंदन में cold winter season था. And miserable means he was very bad condition. Miserable here means very bad condition, and very hungry. He was very hungry. He want to eat something, and he doesn't have money. He doesn't know the people over there. वहाँ का किसी को भी वो जानता नहीं था. And he was very hungry. He wandered around begging for food. Wander means roam, move. You can say वो यहाँ से वहाँ on the street. Begging मतलब भीख मांग रहा था. For food, he was asking for food, he was begging for food, because he was very hungry. So everywhere he just wandering, moving here and there and asking for food. But again and again people shouted at him, or to wherever he goes to ask the food, जहाँ पे भी वो food मांगने गया, begging करने गया, people shouted at him. People ने उसके ऊपर डांटा, उसको चिल्लाया. Go away you lazy fellow, be off with us. यहाँ से दूर चले जाओ, you lazy fellow. उन्होंने कहा go away, आप यहाँ से चले जाओ, यू लेजी फेलो. बी ऑफ विथ यू, यहाँ से हट जाओ, भाग जाओ. लाइक दैट दे शाउटेड एट हिम and aimed angry blow at his head. And some of them, some rude person, they hit on his head also. किसी जो बहुत rude थे people, they hit him on his head also. At last he collapsed in the street and laid there. और वो, and he was so much hungry and so much tired. वो इतना थका हुआ था, भूखा था, so much, and he does not have energy also. He does not have energy to move or talk. So suddenly what happened, he collapsed. He collapsed means he fall down. वो गिर गया. Because of hungriness, because of weakness, he fall in the street. वो अचानक से एक street के सामने, एक road के सामने गिर गया. Lay down means fall down. Too weak to look further for food. वो इतना weak हो गया था कि he cannot walk. He cannot go further. वो आगे नहीं जा सकता था to ask food. That much weak he became. By chance, Dick had fallen in front of a house belonging to a rich merchant called Mr. Fritz Warren. So what happened when he was weak and he got fall down? जब वो गिर गया, so suddenly by the luck, वो he fall down इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ हाउस, वो एक घर के सामने गिर पड़ा. दैट हाउस बिलोंग टू अ रिच पर्सन. जिस घर के सामने वो गिर गया था, दैट हाउस बिलोंग टू अ वेरी रिच पर्सन, एंड दैट रिच मर्चेंट मीन्स बिजनेसमैन, एंड दैट नेम ऑफ दैट पर्सन वॉज मिस्टर फिट्जवॉरन. और उस घर के मालिक का नाम क्या था? द ओनर ऑफ दैट हाउस वॉज मिस्टर फिट्जवॉरन. सो डिक, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज वीकनेस, ही फॉल डाउन इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज हाउस. वो उसके घर के सामने बेहोश गिर गया. I hope children you are understanding what I am explaining. Let's move on to the next paragraph. The cook was trying to drive Dick away. So now the cook means the chef who was working in that house, जो उस घर में काम करता था, the cook, what he saw, he had seen that Dick was fallen in front of their house. Dick उसके घर के सामने गिरा हुआ है. So drive away means he is just removing him. He is just telling him to go away from there. When Mr. Fitzwarren returned home from inspecting his ship, so at the same time when the cook was telling Dick to move away from here, same time Mr. Fitzwarren was coming from his office or coming from his factory. You can say inspecting ship means he might be owner of the ship. वो एक ship का owner है. जो inspecting means he had some work. वो वहाँ पे सब look out करके he was just returning home. When he saw that the cook was telling Dick to move away from there. जब उसने देखा कि वो cook उस Dick Whittington को वहाँ से जाने बोल रहा था. He stopped and said to Dick. So who stopped him? Fitzwarren called Dick. उसने Dick को बुलाया. He called Dick and he said to Dick, okay, why don't you work if you need food? So he said to Dick, okay, if you want food, अगर तुम्हें खाना चाहिए, why don't you work? Why don't you do some work? If you do some work, you will get money, and from that money you can eat food. I would work, said Dick, but I know nobody who will give me anything to do. Now Dick answered to Mr. Fitzwarren. उसने Fitzwarren को आंसर दिया, I want to work. मुझे काम करना है. But here no one will give me work. यहाँ पे कोई भी मुझे काम नहीं देगा. Because here no one knows me. यहाँ मुझे कोई नहीं जानता, and no one will give me work. So how I will get money? Take him into the kitchen. Mr. Fitzwarren ordered the cook. Now I said you, Mr. Fitzwarren was a nice person, very kind person, and he's a rich businessman. He said to the cook, उसने cook को कहा कि take this boy inside the kitchen. Take this boy inside the kitchen. Feed him first, and then find some work for him. Feed him first means first give him food. पहले उसको खाना दो, and then find some work for him. फिर उसके लिए कुछ काम ढूंढो. So like that, because of Mr. Fitzwarren, Dick now got a house and some work. So you understand here? Here the life change of Dick. The Dick life started changing. Here when he was in London, he don't have house. He don't have parents. And he heard somewhere that the street of London is totally paved with gold. वहाँ पे gold पड़ा हुआ है. That's why he came to London. But when he came to London, he had seen that in a London there is nothing. No gold is there. It was just dirty. But due to the grace of God, he was just a nice person. Who was that nice person? Mr. Fitzwarren helped Dick. He's given Dick a house. उसने Dick को अपने घर पे जगह दी. He has given work or some job for Dick. So see here. So Dick was given a home and a living. So now finally Dick got a home. उसको finally एक घर मिला and a living where he can live. He had a small corner of the attic to sleep in, and his job was to help the cook with all the pots and pans in the kitchen. So finally he got a house, and where he got a small corner in an attic. Attic is a place, children. Attic एक ऐसा place होता है ना जिसको हम माला कहते हैं. You can say inside the house we make a small on the top of the house we make a small flooring. हम एक फ्लोरिंग करते हैं और उसके ऊपर सब सामान रखते हैं. अनयूजेस थिंग जो हमें ज़रूरत की चीज़ें नहीं होती हम उधर ऊपर रख देते हैं. सो इन हिंदी यू कॉल एज माला, एंड इन इंग्लिश इट्स कॉल एटिक. एटिक मीन्स स्मॉल रूम ऑन टॉप ऑफ द रूम और टॉप ऑफ द रूफ. ऊपर घर के छत के पास एक हम फ्लोर बनाते हैं. सो ही वॉज गिवन प्लेस टू स्लीप देयर. उसको वहाँ पे एक जगह दे दी सोने की. एंड वॉट इज़ वर्क, वॉट जॉब ही गॉट, ही वॉन्ट टू हेल्प द कुक. वो कुक को हेल्प करने का. विथ पॉट्स एंड पैन मीन्स बर्तन धो के देने का, चॉप द वेजिटेबल, क्लीन द वेजिटेबल, हेल्प द कुक. वो कुक को हेल्प करने का किचन में. सो दैट वर्क ही गॉट. Dick's life should have been much better than before. So here now Dick life is getting more better. उसकी लाइफ अच्छी होने जा रही थी because now he got a home as well as a job. But he still have two difficulty to face. But still सब कुछ होने के बाद भी he has to face two difficulty. उसके लाइफ में अभी भी 2 difficulties थी. In his life he has 2 difficulty to face. And what was that 2 difficulties? That we are going to learn in the next lecture. So I am stopping my lecture over here. The remaining half part of this lesson I will explain you in my next lecture, which is on Saturday. Okay student, so now what is your work, what is your homework is there children? Can you see those hard words down? I have written, see here, dismay, alley, and then over here see attic. So these 3 hard word, you just write it down in your English notebook. Understand? So I hope you have understand this lesson. The half part we have explained, and the remaining half I am going to explain in our next lecture. So you understand children? Now finally Dick got a house as well as a job. बट स्टिल ही हैव टू फेस 2 प्रॉब्लम. फिर भी उसके लाइफ में 2 डिफ़िकल्टी है. एंड वॉट इज़ दैट 2 डिफ़िकल्टी? वो 2 डिफ़िकल्टी क्या है? दैट वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. आई होप you have understand this lesson. Children, if you have any kind of doubt in this first part, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me. I'll clear your doubt. So children, start your studies. Just learn this lesson till where I had explained you. Just learn once and you will understand it. Okay children, thank you for watching this video.